This insane electric beast looks like it came straight from the future. Meet the Weped M11 Ultra, one of the most powerful electric scooters turning heads in 2026. Built for extreme performance, this high-tech machine combines aggressive design, incredible speed, and premium engineering into one thrilling ride. Its powerful dual-motor setup delivers breathtaking acceleration, while the advanced suspension system keeps every ride smooth and controlled. Designed for serious riders who want both power and precision, the M11 Ultra handles city streets and challenging roads with confidence. With futuristic styling and unmatched performance, it's more than just an electric scooter. It's a glimpse into the future of personal transportation.
What if air taxis became your everyday transportation? Meet the Airbus CityAirbus NextGen, a revolutionary electric air taxi designed to transform urban travel in 2026 and beyond. This futuristic aircraft uses advanced electric propulsion technology to provide quiet, efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation above crowded city streets. Designed for safety, comfort, and reliability, the CityAirbus NextGen can help reduce traffic congestion while making travel faster and more convenient. Its sleek design, autonomous-ready technology, and innovative engineering showcase the future of smart mobility. As cities continue to evolve, this next-generation aircraft proves that the future of transportation is taking flight today.
What if short flights became faster, quieter, and fully electric? Meet the Beta X Surf Air Partnership, a game-changing step toward the future of air travel in 2026. By combining advanced electric aircraft technology with regional air transportation, this innovative collaboration aims to make flying cleaner, quieter, and more efficient than ever before. These next-generation electric aircraft are designed to reduce emissions while delivering a smooth and reliable travel experience. With cutting-edge engineering, sustainable power systems, and a vision for modern mobility, Beta X Surf Air is helping transform the way people travel between cities. The future of aviation isn't coming soon, it's already taking off.
What if your daily commute could take to the skies? Meet the Coolfly aircraft, a futuristic flying vehicle that's redefining personal transportation in 2026. Designed with cutting-edge aviation technology, this incredible aircraft combines the convenience of a personal vehicle with the freedom of flight. Its compact design, advanced controls, and efficient electric-powered system make short-distance air travel more practical than ever. Built for safety, comfort, and performance, the Coolfly aircraft offers a glimpse into a future where traffic jams become a thing of the past. With its sleek appearance and innovative engineering, this flying machine is turning science fiction into reality. This futuristic ride looks like it belongs in the year 2036. Meet the Oto's Flux X26, one of the coolest next-generation vehicles making waves in 2026. Designed with a bold, futuristic look and advanced mobility technology, this innovative machine delivers a unique blend of performance, efficiency, and style. Its sleek, aerodynamic design not only turns heads, but also enhances the overall riding experience. Built for modern urban transportation, the Flux X26 offers smooth handling, impressive comfort, and cutting-edge engineering. Whether you're a technology enthusiast or a future mobility fan, this vehicle showcases how transportation is evolving. The future isn't coming, it's already here with the Flux X26. This smart vehicle can climb stairs like they're nothing. Meet the XTO X12 Pro, one of the most innovative mobility vehicles making an impact in 2026. Designed with advanced stair-climbing technology, this futuristic machine can smoothly navigate steps, uneven surfaces, and challenging environments with remarkable ease. Its intelligent engineering, powerful motors, and precision control system provide a safe, comfortable, and efficient riding experience.
Built to improve mobility and accessibility, the X12 Pro showcases how technology is solving real-world transportation challenges. With its sleek design and groundbreaking capabilities, this next-generation vehicle proves that the future of personal mobility is smarter, more capable, and more accessible than ever before.